How to use food stamps on DoorDash. So if you want to use food stamps on DoorDash, it's actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is adding a food stamp means that you want to basically add or use a SNAP or EBT benefits on DoorDash. For that, you can go to DoorDash.com or you can use the DoorDash app. Then log into your account and simply go to your account settings. So on the browser, you can scroll to the bottom left, go to account, scroll down, and you have to simply go to your payment settings. So when you go to payment settings, under payment and program cards option, you'll find add snap/EBT card. So you just have to click on add this card right here, and then make sure to enter your card number, then click on save card option. Now whenever you want to use this food stamps on your order, you can go to the checkout process. The snap eligible amount will automatically apply to your order subtotal and give you a certain amount of discount, and this way you will be able to use food stamps, or more importantly SNAP or EBT card on DoorDash. I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.